LED bulb in 6000K35W is a high-quality lighting solution suitable for a wide range of applications. Manufactured by Sinoparcel, this bulb offers exceptional performance and durability. Technical details. Brand, Sinoparcel. Specific uses for product, bulb, brightness, 20000 lumen. Item package quantity 1, color, 6000K. Voltage, 12 volts. Auto part position, front outer. Operating life, 30000 hours. Manufacturer Sinoparcel, model D2S. Item weight, 3.84 ounces. Product dimensions, 2.75 inches, 3.82 inches, 1.99 inches. Item model number D2S, manufacturer. Part number USSP DLED D2SR, mirror lighting type. Automotive exterior headlight bulbs. The Sinoparcel D2S LED bulb stands out for its impressive brightness of 20000 lumens and a color temperature of 6000K, providing a clear and bright light output. With a low voltage requirement of 12 volts, this bulb is energy efficient and long-lasting, with an operating life of 30000 hours.
Bulbs compatible with 2014 to 2020 are a top-notch choice for those seeking optimal lighting performance for their vehicles. Designed specifically for use with Dodge Durango and Toyota RAV4 models from 2013 to 2015, these bulbs deliver exceptional brightness levels of 36000 lumens. Crafted by Koipizep, a reputable brand known for quality automotive products, these bulbs come in a set that includes 9005 high beams, 2 bulbs, 9005 low beams, 2 bulbs, and H11 fog lights, 2 bulbs. The compatibility with specific car models ensures a perfect fit and performance. One of the key highlights of these bulbs is their extended operating life of 50000 hours, providing long-lasting illumination without frequent replacements. The 32 volts DC voltage requirement is well suited for efficient energy usage in the vehicle. Installation is a breeze with these headlight bulbs, thanks to their plug-and-play design that eliminates the need for any additional adapters or
24 upgraded H11/H8/ by AutoPro Detroit is a cutting-edge automotive lighting solution designed to enhance visibility and safety on the road. With a wattage of 80 watts, this product delivers powerful illumination to ensure a clear line of sight in various driving conditions. The item package includes 1 unit of the H11/H9/H8 model, which boasts a nominal item weight of 7.8 ounces. The compact dimensions of 7.09 inches, 4.69 inches, 1.93 inches make it easy to install in your vehicle without taking up excessive space. Additionally, the polished exterior adds a sleek and modern touch to your car's overall aesthetic. AutoPro Detroit, a reputable manufacturer known for quality automotive parts, is behind this innovative lighting solution. The H11/H9/H8 model is specifically designed for the right auto part position, ensuring a seamless fit and reliable performance. Whether you're driving in low-light conditions or challenging weather, the 2024 upgraded H11/H8/ is a dependable choice.
Jeep Grand Cherokee 2019 to 2021 offers a reliable lighting solution for your vehicle. Manufactured by Huakeds, this product is designed specifically for headlight use, delivering a sleek and polished exterior in silver color that complements the front auto part position of your Jeep Grand Cherokee perfectly. With technical details such as operating at 12 volts and boasting an impressive operating life of 30000 hours, the Huakeds Huo 043 model ensures long-term performance and durability. The item weighs 1.57 pounds and comes in a compact package with dimensions of 7.87 inches, 6.1 inches, 5 inches for easy installation. Whether you're looking to enhance visibility on the road or add a touch of style to your vehicle, the Ford Jeep Grand Cherokee 2019 to 2021 by Huakeds is a quality choice that combines functionality with a polished exterior finish.
Ford Fusion LED bulbs by WVKV Tow are a remarkable choice for enhancing the lighting performance of your Ford Fusion model from 2006 to 2018. With a powerful brightness of 36000 lumens, these bulbs guarantee improved visibility on the road, creating a safer driving experience for you and other road users. The item comes in a universal fit, ensuring compatibility with your vehicle, and the easy installation process takes just 5 minutes, making it hassle-free. Designed to last, These LED bulbs have an impressive operating life of 5,000 hours, providing long-term durability and reliability. The efficient cooling design prevents overheating issues, while the one beam design ensures optimal light distribution without any dark spots, offering consistent and clear lighting output. Additionally, the bulbs are CAN-bus ready, eliminating error messages or flickering, further enhancing their performance. The exterior features a polished finish.
HB3H11 light bulbs combo by Deviz UCR offer a high-quality halogen replacement option that brings exceptional brightness to your vehicle's lighting system. With a luminous output of 24000 lumens and a wattage of 100 watts, these bulbs ensure superior visibility on the road. Specifically designed for 9005H11 applications, these bulbs are versatile and compatible with a range of vehicles. The 6000K color temperature provides a crisp and clear white light that enhances visibility in various driving conditions. Manufactured by Liting, a trusted name in the industry, these bulbs boast a long operating life of up to 5,000 hours, ensuring durability and reliability. The polished exterior adds a touch of elegance to your vehicle's lighting system, enhancing both style and performance. With an item weight of 8.4 ounces,
Bulb is an impressive lighting solution that stands out with its remarkable features and technical specifications. Manufactured by TechMax, a reputable brand known for its quality products, this LED bulb is designed for various specific uses, making it a versatile option for different lighting needs. With a brightness of 20000 lumens, the TechMax 9012 bulb ensures powerful illumination that is essential for optimal visibility in various settings. Whether used in automotive applications as an auto part positioned at the front or in other settings requiring bright lighting, this bulb delivers reliable performance. The sleek gray color and compact design of the TechMax 9012 bulb make it an aesthetically pleasing addition to any setup. The item weighs only 4.6 ounces and comes in package dimensions of 4.57 inches, 4.49 inches, 2.32 inches, making it easy to install and handle. Equipped with a voltage rating of 32 volts, the TechMax 9012 bulb offers efficient energy consumption
and compact dimensions of 4.76 inches, 4.72 inches, 4.25 inches. The 9005/HB3H11 light bulbs combo is easy to install and fits. And
Explorer 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, Combo 9005 LED headlight is a top-notch lighting upgrade for your vehicle. Manufactured by IHNZCB, a trusted brand in the industry, this model, designated as 9005 headlight plus H11 fog light, offers a blend of reliability and performance. Weighing just 9.9 ounces, the dimensions of 7.32 inches, 5.04, 2.05 inches make it a compact yet powerful choice. The item model number 9005 plus H11 and the manufacturer part number INZB 9005 plus H11 ensure easy identification and compatibility. With an exterior finish in chrome, this headlight and fog light combo is designed for the front position of your vehicle. The utilization of light-emitting diode, LED, technology ensures a bright and energy-efficient lighting solution. Operating at 12 volts with a power output of 120 watts, this product guarantees enhanced visibility and safety during driving. Upgrade your Ford Explorer with this efficient lighting setup and experience the road like never before.
D2S LED bulb in 6000K offers impressive performance for those seeking advanced lighting solutions. With a brightness of 20000 lumens and a color temperature of 6000K, this bulb provides exceptional illumination while ensuring a clear and crisp light output. Manufactured by Sino-Parcel, a trusted brand known for quality products, this bulb is designed for specific use as a front-outer automotive headlight bulb. The operating life of 3,000 hours ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for those in need of long-lasting lighting solutions. The Sino-Parcel D2S LED bulb is lightweight at 3.84 ounces and compact with product dimensions of 2.75 inches, 3.82 inches, 1.99 inches, making it easy to install in various vehicle models. The item package includes one bulb and operates at 12 volts, suitable for a range of automotive applications. Overall, the The Cineparcel D2S LED bulb, 6000K combines efficiency, durability, and performance, making it a top choice for IND.
DH616, Cobb 12W LED aluminum bulbs by GLL are a high-quality lighting solution suitable for a range of applications. With a wattage of 10 watts and a voltage of 12 volts, these bulbs offer bright illumination while being energy efficient. The package contains 2 bulbs, making it convenient for various lighting setups. One notable feature of these bulbs is their long operating life of up to 50,000 hours, ensuring durability and longevity. The white color of the light emitted adds a clean and modern look to any environment. Additionally, with an item weight of 2.11 ounces and compact package dimensions of 4.09 inches, 3.86 inches, 1.06 inches, these bulbs are easy to handle and install. Manufactured by GLL, a trusted brand in the industry, these bulbs meet high standards of quality and performance. The manufacturer part number is FL0076GZ, and the bulbs are designed for use in the front auto part position. The product is not discontinued by the manufacturer. Overall, the BA20DH6